Hi, I'm John, and this is a product spotlight. Today we have a model from Atlas to take a look at, so let's head over to the workbench. All right, here's what we're looking at today. This is an HO scale 50-foot 6-inch Boxcar. This comes from Atlas, and it's in their Trainman series. You can get an undecorated one for $21.95, or looking at their website, I see, at least half a dozen or more decorated versions that go for $30.95. Now, that being said, remember, this is MSRPs, and if you search around online or at your local hobby store, you'll find these for less. Your best bet, as always, is to go to the Atlas website and see if they have the ones you're looking for. It comes as no surprise to me that the paint on this car is really good. There are some very minor gaps that go over the ribs here, or posts. Minor gaps in the printing, but that's to be expected. And the nice thing about it is that the brown color covers the car very well, and you can read most, if not all, of the small writing, including this stuff over here. The brake end has separately applied brake wheel detail, and you can see from this angle that that's a body-mounted knuckle coupler. And here's a quick look at the other side of the car. It also looks really good. The A end of the car looks a lot like the brake end of the car, just without a brake wheel. Now, there's a word for this pattern on the roof, and I can never remember what it is. But I do know that it takes weathering quite nicely, and just applying a wash on this type of pattern will make the rivet detail and the lines in the pattern really pop. A look at the bottom of the car reveals molded brake detail, and not a whole lot of detail there, which is to be expected in a Trainman series model. One thing I will mention while we're looking at it from this angle is it does come with these nice metal wheels, and I mentioned a minute ago that these are, in fact, body-mounted knuckle couplers. Seeing as how this is a Trainman model, I wasn't really expecting a whole lot, but I have to say that what I did see was really impressive. And this is just a really solid car. And I really, really like the fact that Atlas is still maintaining the Trainman series, because it gives people a lower priced item that they can then basically customize themselves. So great job, Atlas. I'll see you next time.